This is how you assemble the drawer rail on your new Trojan Priam desk. You will need to install this drawer rail on both inner sides of the desk. You will require 2 drawer rails, listed as Z12, along with 4 small screws, listed as Z2. These will both be included with your product, including 2 extra washers that we will provide. Take the rail and position it so that the holes of the desk align with the correct holes in the rail. Take 1 screw and install it tightly using a Phillips screwdriver into this side of the rail and the desk, going through the holes that we just showed. Then make sure the holes are still aligned on the other side of the desk. Take the second screw and place a washer on it. Then using your Phillips screwdriver, screw that into the second hole that we showed earlier. Once both of these screws are now tightly in place, repeat these steps to the other side and then continue building your new Trojan Priam desk.